na akong boses. Pakita nyo naman ako doon,
Sir,
nagdadakdak.
Good afternoon. Dito tayo. Dito tayo, ano natin, hands-on. Yan ako, kasi nakalagay. Sige.
Kunan mo, Will, ng... Yeah.
Production tayo?
Well, good day to Europe. We are here, Filipinos, with a common message, and that is President Duterte, the most beloved of all presidents in our history, should be freed. He should be freed, number one, because jurisdiction over his person was acquired by the ICC through kidnapping. The Philippine government did not comply with the Rome Statute in bringing President Duterte here to The Hague. The Rome Statute is clear. He should have been brought before a local court to face extradition proceedings. They did not do so because they know that, number one, that the ICC no longer has jurisdiction, and therefore no local court will order his extradition to The Hague. We believe that because jurisdiction was acquired in grave violations of human rights, then jurisdiction of the ICC should be decoupled. The court should declare that it has no jurisdiction because you cannot right what is alleged to be a wrong by committing another wrong. Eichmann is no longer good law. Human rights standards now demand that in order to dispense justice, any tribunal must completely be in compliance with existing treaty obligations such as the Rome Statute. The failure to present President Duterte before a local court also means that Philippine sovereignty was violated. Membership in the court is not compulsory. It is voluntary. Countries are free to withdraw from the statute, which the Philippines has done, and a preliminary investigation started 2 years after we had withdrawn, meaning there is no longer any jurisdiction. So the extradition of President Duterte did not happen. He was kidnapped, and because he was kidnapped, he should be sent home to the Philippines. And we're filing this petition before the ICC. We know that the ICC is a judicial body, but it must be informed of the sentiments of the Filipino people because it will affect the credibility of the court itself. If the court cannot comply with its own statute that created it, then what kind of justice can it dispense with? Thank you. We will submit this in the hope that the judges will take into consideration the belief of the Filipinos that an illegal act such as kidnapping should never be sanctioned by a court that calls itself the International Criminal Court.
Free Duterte. Free the Philippines.
Bring him home.
Bring him home. Bring him home. Bring him home. Bring him home.
Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko alam ang sasalita ang ganun. Salamat siya.
Kailangan din natin nagtataka.
Nagsasalita ako dun.
Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed.
Hold on.
Ang biktima ng kidnapping!
Send him home! Send him home! Send him home!
Dapat isigaw natin sino ang pinakamagaling na presidente ng Pilipinas!
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Sino ang salot sa Pilipinas?
Marcos Mangan!
Sino ang karapat-dapat na maging presidente ng Pilipinas?
Mamaya. BP Sara! BP Sara!
Ano ang ating hiling para kay Tatay Digong? And the European Union, the world looks up to you as champions of human rights. And yet, it is very clear that the ICC acquired jurisdiction over President Duterte through kidnapping. Why is the Netherlands, the jailer of Duterte, quiet about the violation of a fundamental human right of the former President of the Republic of the Philippines?
Yes!
And What is our message to the world? The world
Paano
wants
yung tumatawag
to
si
know
Si Sir
that
Ben?
we have
Tumatawag?
one president who will be the
Ikusundan niya
best
ka.
ever president in history, and that is who?
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
We are marching today to call your attention to this very serious
Kayo na naman
violation
tumawag
of
po sa kanya kasi
human rights
naka-live yung kay Sir.
and a very serious. Is the most loved president in Philippine history?
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
So to the Dutch people, we are here amidst the heat in midday to claim, to let you know that the Philippine president is the most beloved president and could not be the criminal that the Marcos regime claims him to be.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
So to the world, particularly to the Dutch people and the European Union, the cry of the Filipinos is only one and unified voice.
Hindi pa, wag po kayo, wag silang pumunta doon. Stay put. Kasi magsasend lang siya ng petition.
Marshall.
Hanggang dito lang tayo.
Dito lang tayo, dito lang. Isasubmit lang yung ano, signatories.
Hi, Ching! So busy, Ching. Pasensya na, may non-signal.
Hindi.
Hindi pa daw.
Let's go! Let's go! Hey, go na tayo, go! Follow the ano? Go, go, go! Go, go!
Mga kares, yung petition letter nandito pa, wala, hindi nyo dala.
Well,
Pare, inaalis na ang pulit, pero yung petition letter
Pabalik na po to.
oo.
diretso na.
Pabalik sa Malibel.
Oo. Pero diretso na to sa Malibel.
Si attorney.
Putol.
Hindi, kasi video mo ako. Ganyan.
1, 2, 3, go.
So, andito po tayo ngayon sa harapan ng ICCDT Center. Nakikita po niyo sa ating bulungan ang mga taga-suporta ni Dr. Hugo Duterte. Sama-sama pa rin sila naglalakas at pabalik na ito ng Malibel. At yung iba ho natin yung ibang mga taga-suporta ay nandun po sa ICC Detention Center, ano? Para ibigay o submit ang petisyon na hilingin na ibalik na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa Pilipinas. So ito, pabalik na po ito ng Malibel at maganda po ang mga isla ng
Parang naputol ah.
Sina?
Okay. Tapos na po yung...
Oh, yung ano mo, able. Bakit ganun?
Wait. Hindi ko po, ihintayin ko pa si Sir Harry. Kay Sir Harry po, kasama ko siya.
Uwi na sila, te. Punta ako dun.
Sa Malibel sila.
Oo nga, punta ako dun eh.
Saan? Doon. Duterte Street? Eh, kailangan kami sumama ni Sir Harry dun eh.
Kuya, mapunta kayo dun?
Magsasalita pa siya dun eh. Guys, samayan na naman ah.